Now, we will look at the Hipass system used to enter and exit toll roads. Insert a Hipass card into the Hipass card slot. When inserting the Hipass card, face the front of the card upwards. Press the Eject Card button to remove the card. When the power is off, short or long press the power button to turn on the power. To turn off the power, press and hold the power button. If the card reader's power is on and there is a balance remaining on the inserted card, payment is automatically made when entering or exiting a toll road in the Hipass lane. While the power is on, briefly press the power button to adjust the volume in 5 levels. If you want to know the balance, briefly press the Check Balance button. Press and hold the Check Balance button for an audio guide of the recent fee transaction.
Kia, movement that inspires.